Welcome to Inside the Stripes with Steve Drummond. I'm here today with our Public Relations Coordinator, Ms. Heather Kilgore. She's behind the camera. And I wanted to introduce myself to the community of Commerce and anyone in the district who might not know me. I graduated from North Hopkins High School in 1983, then attended East Texas State University, getting my bachelor's degree there in 1987 in agriculture. I then attained my master's from East Texas State University in Educational Administration in 2002. Commerce has always been a second home to me. I'm married to Sherry, and we share 3 great grown kids together. Lydia, who graduates from East Texas A&M in a couple of months. Brinley, a CHS graduate, who graduates from beauty school in Mount Pleasant in May, and Dylan, who's 27 and owns a landscaping business in Henderson, Texas. Lydia is getting married at the end of July. We're building a new house and selling our old one, so we have a lot going on in the Drummond household, as well as all the responsibilities of the superintendent's office. I've been in education for 37.5 years. I've taught science and coached for 18 years. I've been an athletic director, assistant principal, high school principal, and this will be my second superintendent's job. Commerce, without question, has been the most fun and most challenging stop in my career. I've spent a little over 8 years in the high school principal job here and really worked on creating a campus there with a great culture and really tried to improve our academics at the high school while we were there. We worked on showing kids that we cared about them and loved them, and we saw good results from that, along with maintaining fairness and consistency. I have a few goals going forward as superintendent, but I will talk about a couple of those goals today. Number 1, I'm a competitor, and I want our district to be one of the best, if not the best district in North Texas. Not only for our students, but for our staff and our community as well. Our district's come a long way with our reputation in the last 10 years. Kudos to Mr. Alderman for all he has done in an incredibly lengthy tenure, but I want to build on that and increase our efforts to be better. Academically, we need to improve, and this will be my number 1 focus as superintendent in Commerce ISD. Secondly, I want us to be better financial stewards with taxpayer and public money. We are not being properly funded by Austin, so we have to really be careful and diligent in planning and budgeting going forward. Part of that involves doing our best to take care of what we have. Lastly, I want to continue to be the safest school district in the area. We have a tremendous police chief, Seth McDaniel, and officers Nick Floyd and Mario Ariano, and are currently trying to hire a 4th officer. We have done a great job with our grant money and securing fencing on our campuses, adding bullet entry-resistant film on every door and window in every building in the district, and adding cameras and even street cameras, and being very diligent on keeping every door locked in the district. Safety and security will be a major goal. Also, Dr. Trimmel and I, the assistant superintendent, will focus on taking care of our district campus admin team, our 8 leaders, Roger Brown and Jenna O'Neill at the high school, Patricia Nelly and Tony Henry at Commerce Middle School, Jenny Putman and Rachel Copeland at AC Williams, and Haley McDonald and Darcy Rochester at CES. Those people are key in taking care of our teachers. And I know, as a former classroom teacher of 18 years, that without question, teachers are the backbone of our district. And I want our teachers to know that I'll be doing everything I can to make sure they are well taken care of by Commerce ISD and creating an environment and a culture and a place that feels like family, and they feel like a great place for them to come and work. So I really look forward to getting to know everyone better. This will be a kind of a regular series ongoing throughout the year. We'll move around and touch on some different topics in different areas. But thanks to the school board and the community for the support and the faith in me as naming new superintendent, and I really look forward to serving Commerce ISD. Go Tigers.